Hi, this leg is Handyman. Today we're gonna replace garbage disposal. The old disposal been leaking. We get the same type, InSinkErator Badger 500. This is half horsepower garbage disposal. It's been working good. It just started leaking because of the old age. We can see the evidence of leak, and it's actually water coming from that garbage disposal. And that's why we are changing it. Otherwise everything looks good, no leaks on any of the connections. And let's get to it. We're gonna start with removing this clamp. This is line going from our dishwasher. Next thing, we're gonna disconnect the power. We're going to take this out. Actually, we're gonna take it out all together, so it's not on the way. I'm using Milwaukee 11-in-1 screwdriver. That's pretty much all you need to replace the garbage disposal. We're gonna use this wrench that comes with the garbage disposal. If you don't have it, don't worry, the new one that you already should have one of those. I'm gonna put it in here and turn this collar counterclockwise. From the old garbage disposal, we're gonna need the wire. We're gonna reuse it. I'm using cardboard box, so this nasty water not gonna be all over the place. And it should be black and white wire. Connected with the wire nuts. Now we're going to take out this clip. Out. Now we're going to take out this connector. Let's get the new one open. Again, this is standard series Badger 500 InSinkErator. All the tools and materials you see in this video will be available on Amazon through the links below. Here's the instruction and registration card. Comes with the new piece. We don't need it because we already have it installed. It's our new unit with the parts. First thing, if you do have dishwasher installed, you need to punch the hole because it's actual plastic plug that needs to be taken out. It's out. Make sure you got the plastic piece. That's how it looks. If you don't, your dishwasher is going to stop working. Next thing, we need to connect the wires. Same deal. Take out this cover. We're going to use our clamp, nothing wrong with it. serves the purpose. We're gonna reuse the wire. On this type of wire, you see the ribs on one wire and nothing on this side. That means, and you can tell which one by the ribs. The ribs are neutral. The smooth side is hot. So the hot will go to the black wire here, and the one with the ribs gonna go to white wire. So we're gonna snake it through. We have all three wires. Push it back. Well, it's connected. Again, one with the ribs goes to the neutral side, which is white. I'm going to use the wire nuts. Inspect them, make sure the metal pieces, that little spring is in there. Make it nice and tight. And do the pull test. Try to pull on each wire. If it stays, chances are you got a good connection. Same with this one. The smooth side goes to the black. The wire nut. Do the pull test. The green wire is our ground wire, which will go to this green screw right here. Screwdriver. And we're ready to tighten the wire so it doesn't pull out every time somebody yank on it. Bring the cover back like it was, only one screw, tighten it up. Okay, so wire is connected. Took out the plug from here. In this green bag we have a new rubber gasket which will go here first. Some people put it over here and then put it in. Sometimes it holds, but proper way would be insert the rubber piece. Many times you will have new PVC pipe for the garbage disposal, and you can put these bolts here. In my case it's going to be a tail piece. At this moment we're going to use this ring to install it back where it was. Okay, once it's on it, we can lock it in, and we can still rotate garbage disposal. We're going to connect the hose for dishwasher. Okay, we have a tail piece, and we're going to put those bolts that are new bolts that provided with the new garbage disposal. We're going to put it right back where they're supposed to be. I'm going to use the screwdriver to tighten it. Once this is tight, Yeah, tighten up all these nuts. And plug it in. This outlet's usually designed one side, upper or lower switched outlet, another one is always hot. So plug it in and let's test it. We're going to run some water, make sure it's not leaking. At this moment we can see nothing is leaking. We're going to test again operation. Sounds good, looks good, no leaks. Once again, all the tools and materials you see in this video you can find on the link below. Every time I do my plumbing stuff, I put paper towel or any kind of paper underneath, but this is indicator for your leaks. Thank you for watching. That was Legacy Handyman. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.